The case of Tijam vs. Sibonghanoy in 1968 established an important doctrine in Philippine law: the application of laches as a bar to jurisdictional challenges. In 1948, spouses Tiburcio and Maria Sibonghanoy obtained a surety bond from Manila Surety and Fidelity Company Inc. for 1,908 pesos as part of a judicial case. When they failed to pay, Manila Surety, represented by the Tijams, filed a collection suit in the Court of First Instance of Cebu in 1955. The Sibonghanoys actively participated in the proceedings, filing pleadings, attending hearings, and contesting the case on its merits. The Court of First Instance ruled in favor of the Tijams, ordering the Sibonghanoys to pay. The case was appealed, but the Court of Appeals upheld the decision. 15 years after the case began, the Sibonghanoys, for the first time, challenged the Court of First Instance's jurisdiction, arguing that the case should have been filed in a municipal court due to the amount involved. The Supreme Court ruled that the respondents were barred by laches from questioning the jurisdiction of the Court of First Instance after fully participating in the case for 15 years without objection. Laches applies when a party unreasonably delays asserting a right, leading to prejudice against the other party. The general rule is that jurisdictional issues can be raised at any stage of a case because jurisdiction is fundamental and cannot be waived. However, in Tijam vs. Sibonghanoy, the Supreme Court carved out an exception. When a party unreasonably delays raising a jurisdictional issue, they may be barred from doing so under the doctrine of laches. A party who actively participates in a case for years without objection and only questions jurisdiction after receiving an adverse ruling is deemed to have waived the right to challenge it. This ruling reinforces the need for diligence and good faith in legal proceedings. The courts exist to resolve disputes fairly, not to accommodate tactical delays. By applying laches to jurisdictional challenges, the Supreme Court ensured that parties cannot manipulate the system by remaining silent for years, only to invalidate unfavorable rulings. The Tijam vs. Sibonghanoy case remains a cornerstone of Philippine jurisprudence, reminding us that justice favors the vigilant, not those who sleep on their rights.